Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the sandstone cutting by using a rigid tool, circular rigid tool. You can see it here, and this is the process. We have axial and rotational velocity for the tools, and this stone or sandstone are constrained here in this direction and in this direction, and the cutting happen at the middle. And let's me to hold just the part stone and check it in this view. See that this is a cutting process. Let's me to check the damage. This is a damage happen at damage and failure and the plastic strain for that, or yield criterion. These are the outputs from the new material which we define as an INP file for the stone. Okay, these are our results. You can see them. And let's me to add the part cutter. This is a cutting process. You can change everything based on the video tutorial in this simulation, and if you need this tutorial you can come to our website www.abaqus.com, find the English tutorials, click on a blue sign or title, and if you can't find it, just search one or two words at the search section in the website and then you will find it. In this page you will have the title, short explanation about the geometry, definition of the material, steps, interactions, and here the results as a figures. You can see them. And at the end there are three important points. The file contains CAINP and English video file step by step, and the cost is $30. If you have Bitcoins you can pay it with that. But it is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account you can pay it, and before that send me an email to this address and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.